Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Harmony Gardens, a project developed by Disha Habitat. And this project is developed in Hennur, North Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of Harmony Gardens. So right now I'm standing in front of our site. So basically this is the marketing office of our project. And the actual site is opposite to our project. And this will be the main entrance and the construction work which you can have a look on. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 3.25 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with each tower of basement, ground plus 14 floors, offering you 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies that gives you full privacy and keeps your community open and airy. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Doddagubbೆ main road in Hennur, North Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Doddagubbೆ main road taking you towards Anganapura, and the opposite side road will take you towards Tanisandra main road. So you can connect to Manyata Tech Park in 10 minutes, KIATB is 20 minutes away and airport is 25 minutes from your location. Now let's talk about the amenities part, and this project offers you 30 plus world-class amenities like a forest area, senior citizen sit-out area, swimming pool, celebration lounge with BBQ zone, party hall, banquet, gym, kids play area, sports court and many more amenities. Coming to the super built up area, so project offers you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies where 2 BHK is of 1250 square feet, 2.5 BHK 1350 square feet and 3 BHK is 1550 square feet to 1745 square feet super built up area. And now even they have made the demo wall over here, and the best part is they have not used the ordinary bricks. Here is the smart bricks. So basically it keeps your house cool and the temperature adjusted as per the weather and the ventilation good as well. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Harmony Gardens located in Hennur, North Bangalore by Disha Habitat.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.